Principle 24 is a core one in continuous improvement, a feedback loop that provides measurements on process performance is vital to improve the process. If you can't measure it, you can't control it. And if you can't control it, then you can't improve it. So design your process to have metrics in place to measure process health, such as percentage defectives, waiting time before answering calls, and many other KPIs. A quality control chart is one important tool to use to apply this principle. Continuing on the previous principle of having metrics to measure process health, use a feedback loop to keep improving your process once designed. Process improvement is a never-ending cycle. If you improve the cycle time, for instance, look for cost reduction opportunities. In addition to the metrics you install, listen always to process workers. They are an invaluable source of information on improving the process all the time. This principle is one of the 10 steps in the redesign methodology. The main objective of using simulation and role-playing for a new process design is to uncover what works and what doesn't work in your redesign process. It is better to encounter problems in the process during testing and simulation than encountering these errors when the process is live. So, use simulation software if applicable, as it spares you extra cost to test the process on ground. Or, test the process by assigning roles to different people and run a sample of the new process. Test your process before rollout to save time, cost, and to keep your customers happy. The last principle in the design guides group is standardization of processes. This is a vital principle in process improvement. Never approach a process for improvement if it is not stable. For example, in Six Sigma, the process has to be in a statistical control state before you measure its capability as an improvement preliminary step. If 10 workers are performing the same activity in different ways, the process output will not be the same. Hence, reducing variation resulting from inconsistent performance is an essential step before improvement. Standard operating procedures or SOPs, work instructions, and continuous training are all methods to standardize your process. Make sure you have them in place when you think of redesigning your processes.